Myself, I am a boy. My name is Sachin Agarwal. I like my name. My grandfather gave me this name. I am 7 years old. I read in 5th standard. My mother is a housewife. She works at home. My father is a serviceman. My parents are very kind. I have a sister. Her name is Priyanka Agarwal. She reads in 7th standard. I live in Delhi. It is the capital of India. We live in our house. It is beautiful with a big lawn and a small garden. My grandmother is a religious lady. Her hair has turned white. Although she is old, she is very active. She leaves her bed early in the morning. After taking a bath, she goes to the nearby temple every day. My grandmother tells me fine stories. I go to school every morning. My school is near my house. I learn many things in the school. We also play games. My teachers are very good. They also love me very much. I have many friends, but Rahul is my best friend. He is my class fellow. Sometimes he comes to my house. I also visit his house on holidays. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.